Howdy, Snap Button Shirt Guy. Today I'm doing my first video review on a snap button shirt. Today I'm going to feature a wool snap button shirt from Ramblers Way. I just got this package in the mail a few days ago. Haven't even seen the shirt yet. I've only seen pictures of this shirt online. Never have touched it, never have tried it on. So this is going to be a new experience to see what this shirt feels like. So Ramblers Way, they're out of Kennebunk, Maine. So let's go ahead and take a look. Got a nice packaging, nice pictures of some sheep and a barn on their bag. So let's take a look what's inside. Alright, so here's the shirt. It's in a nice clear package. Looks like it's nice and folded really well. It's got a nice logo and a tag on here. So let's take a look. Oh yeah, we're gonna look at the Western Gabardine, I think. Gabardine. It's a long sleeve men's large in black. Hey, that feels nice and soft. It's a cold morning. Something wool will feel good today. So here's the tag, Ramblers Way. It's folded up just like you would expect, like it's brand new. Nice tissue paper, keep everything soft. So, looking at the shirt here, looks like it's got some good snaps on there. It's got a nice yoke back. Looking for any interesting features, it's just soft. It's got the typical number of snap buttons on it. Now I do think this is a special kind of wool, and down in my descriptions under this video I'll talk more about this. I'll have some more information about this shirt and just exactly what it's made out of, but I think it's out of a fine wool. I think this shirt's made here in the United States. So it looks like a nice shirt. I like that tag inside. That's a real nice looking tag, if you can see that. If not, I'll take a picture of it, put it in there. So I'll tell you what, let's go ahead and try it on. This is a men's large. I'm wearing a snap button shirt today, not a wool shirt. Definitely need a wool shirt for today because it's cold outside. So this shirt doesn't feel like real thick. It feels like it's a nice soft wool. Oh, that's a nice shirt. This is a nice shirt. Now I got a large here and I've never tried this on, and I usually wear about a 34 length sleeve, and it's riding up a little bit, but I think that's good. I mean, it's not sloppy. I'll take a step back here. I would say it's long. I don't know about tucking it in. I'll have to try that out later, and I'll put some extra photos within this video so you can see, but this looks like a nice shirt. I tell you what, this looks like a shirt that I could wear to work, and then maybe to an evening out dinner with my wife at a nice restaurant. It's classy. It fits well. The large, I usually wear about a 16.5, 17 neck, and if I need to, I could button it. It's just soft. It's not real thick. I think this would be something good if it was cold out, probably as a layer on top. As I said, it's out of a particular kind of wool. I'm not sure of the specifics. Well, that's a nice little feature right there off the cuff, how it points out. That's a nice addition. But it does. It fits really good. I would have to say that this is a very nice shirt. Just trying it on, I will have to take some pictures on and maybe see if I get any compliments from people wearing it. But I think on a cold day like today, it's probably in the 40s, maybe even the high 30s this morning. Enough to see my breath. A good wool shirt like this, along with maybe a vest, another jacket, it'll keep you warm if you have a cold office, which I do. And I definitely would say it's a nice shirt. So remember, snap your shirt. This has been Snap Button Shirt Guy with my first video review. And for more about Ramblers Way shirts, this Gabardine shirt, just look in the description below. Follow me on my blog, www.snapbuttonshirtguy.com. And we'll see you next time. Keep snapping your shirt.